Greetings and welcome back to this channel where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. My name is Robert Green and I'll be reading from one of my favorite passages of scripture to be found in Matthew chapter 6. For more information about me, you can check the details in the description box. And please, remember, like, subscribe and share. Click also the notification bell so when you read something, you can find it upon you. All right, so again, welcome to this channel. Every morning about 5 o'clock, 5 a.m., morning a.m., you'll be able to find something regarding the Word of God.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament.
Today, we're going to read from Matthew 6, verse 25, right through to verse 34. And this it say. So may I tell you, nobody fret about your life and worry upon yourself about what you go eat or drink or what you go wear. Because life no more important than food, eh? And the body no need more than clothes. Think about the bud them. Them no plant, them no reap, and them no store up food. And God feed them, don't. Then you know what wholly more to God than them? Which one of you can live even 1 hour longer than you can live? Can you worry upon yourself? Eh? All clothes. What make you not worry upon yourself about that? Think about how the lily them grow out in the field. Them no work. Them no make clothes for wear. But you hear no? Not even Solomon, with all them fancy clothes them, they dress up nice like one of the lily them. And if that's how God dress up wild grass, where they are today and dash in a fire tomorrow, then him now go make sure say uno have clothes for wear too. Look pa uno, what little bit of trust uno put in a God. Here man, no worry and fret about what me I go nyam or what me I go drink. Or say, what me I go wear? Because the people them when you know God keep on think about them sin thing there. Fi uno father know say, uno can't do without them. More than anything else. What if you do? I put uno mind pan God kingdom and do I want uno fi do. When you do that, all of them sin thing there, it will give you them. So nobody worry and fret about tomorrow. Tomorrow will take care of itself. After all, today have its own set of botheration. A God Word This. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.